Hi, this is Ben, and I'm going to show you step by step how to put on this iPad screen protector. This pack comes with two protectors. Inside the pack were instructions, which were very helpful, the screen covers, the kit with supplies, a cardboard for getting air bubbles out, and a microfiber cloth. The instructions are very helpful with illustrations and text instructions. So first, orient the iPad so the camera is at the top and lay the screen on top with the notch where the camera lens is. Note the step 2 sticker should be on the lower left. Next, use the positioning stickers on the opposite side from the step 1 and 2 tabs. This is where you will want to carefully position the protector before you attach the guiding stickers to the iPad. Put the large sticker on the other end. Now unfold the screen and thoroughly clean the screen with the alcohol wipe, then with the white cloth, and finally use the blue sticker to get any remaining specks of dust or debris off the screen. Just note that any tiny piece of dust will leave a bubble under the protector, so try to get it 100% free of any debris or dust. Next, you want to peel off the under layer of the protector by pulling the step 1 tab. And then you're going to want to do one more double check that no specks of dust or debris have fallen onto the screen before you slowly lay down the screen protector. And the stickers should have it perfectly in place, so it's perfectly lined up. So if you put pressure on it just right as you go down, nice and slowly, you should be able to lay it down with minimal air bubbles. So next, you can use your fingers or the cardboard to push the bubbles, any bubbles, to the closest edge. With the cardboard, if the bubbles aren't moving, press firmly, but move the cardboard slower. This can be potentially a very time-consuming, difficult task, so you'll need some patience. The last step is to pull the step 2 tab and take off the outer plastic layer, and then it's all done. That's all there is to it.